Yo guys, what is up? I'm gonna teach you how to order off Xianyu. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll put the name up on the screen. So go here, go to my link tree, use the sign up in order to get an extra bonus. I think $120 in shipping coupons. Make your account, and then now you're gonna have to make a Taobao account. Just go to Taobao, my Taobao, make an account. You're gonna have to get past this QR like scanning thingy, but honestly, it's not that hard to get past. You just have to keep doing it until you get the right one. I don't speak Chinese, but you have to do it. Then once you have your account, you just go to this 2.taobao.com, which is goofish or whatever it's called. Um, so you go to the item that you want. Say I want this item. Take it back to CNFANS. Go to DIY order right here, and then click that. Go product link. You just copy and paste the product link right here. You're gonna have to go back and copy the price, name, and then all that. So once you do that, specifications, that's the size. I don't know the size on this one, but typically it'll show. So I'll scroll down right here and it'll just be like, it'll show the size. So it'll be like small, medium, large, like right here. And then that should be the specification, I believe. And then once you do that, you know, if you want, you can upload photos. Doesn't really matter. Just paste the price. If there's a shipping fee, just put zero. I just put zero, and if they charge you, then it'll just be unpaid balance, and then you'll just have to pay it. But DIY order, paste everything you need to put into it, and then that's pretty much it. You just add it to cart or press buy now, and that's it.